everyone. Let's explore some actionable strategies to help our adult learners refine these essential skills. Empowering our students with strong writing skills extends beyond just getting their ideas down on paper. Robust proofreading and editing abilities are crucial for clear communication and building confidence. 7 ways to help students improve their proofreading and editing skills. Number 1. Teach specific strategies. Guide students to proofread their work multiple times, each strategy concentrating on a specific type of error. For example, punctuation, then grammar, then spelling, then capitalization. This systematic approach enhances error detection. Number 2. Model effective techniques. Explicitly demonstrate your own proofreading and editing process. Show students how you actively search for errors, utilize resources, and mark revisions clearly. Verbalize your thought process as you edit a sample text. Number 3. Incorporate structured peer review. Facilitate peer feedback sessions using specific guidelines or checklists. This allows students to gain different perspectives on their work and learn from others' writing. Number 4. Strategically use technology. Introduce grammar and spell checkers, but caution against over-reliance. Teach students to use these tools critically as aids, not replacements for careful reading. Number 5. Cultivate a personal error log. Encourage students to identify and track their recurring errors. This self-awareness enables them to focus their proofreading efforts and actively learn from past mistakes. Number 6. Practice reverse reading. Suggest students read their work backward, word by word, to disrupt their understanding of the content and focus solely on identifying errors at the surface level. Number 7. Allow for revision time. Build dedicated time into your lessons for students to revise and edit their work after receiving feedback. This reinforces the importance of the editing stage in the writing process. Integrating these strategies into our adult education classrooms can significantly enhance students' ability to produce polished and effective written communication. Let's continue to support their growth as confident and capable writers.